Hey guys, so what are the top reasons for using a VPN? In this video, we're going to break it all down. So the first one, and probably the most popular one, is going to be to access content on streaming platforms like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video that aren't available in your location. You can see right here in Prime Video, it says video availability outside of the US varies. And this is true for every single streaming platform. You'll get offered different content based on your location, and in certain places, a movie or a show is just not available. But by using a VPN like this one right here, ExpressVPN, there will be a link in the description that will take you exactly where you need to go to get a hold of this VPN. All you have to do is click on the location tab, find the country that you want to connect to. Netflix will then think you're in that country and you'll be able to watch that show. Now, the ability to change your location has other benefits as well. For example, if you want to avoid something like the Online Safety Act, which placed restrictions on a ton of different websites like X and required them to verify the age of their users. By using a VPN, you can make it seem as if you're outside of the place where these restrictions are enabled. So for example, using a VPN, you can make it seem as if you're outside the UK where the Online Safety Act was enacted. Similar policies are in effect in Australia, and you can use a VPN to avoid all of that as well. You can even use a VPN when you're gaming on Steam or playing Warzone in order to potentially get better ping or even access a game that isn't available where you're located, and you can use it to access cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance that are only available in certain countries. Now, on top of all of that, I haven't even mentioned how a VPN gives you more privacy and security when you're on the internet. A VPN keeps all of your internet browsing activity secure and makes it impossible for any government or internet service provider to see what you're doing online. And the top VPNs like this one right here, ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark all have what's called an audited no logs policy. That means an outside company has checked out the VPN and verified that they do not keep any user information on their own servers. So even these VPNs themselves do not have access to your personal information. Now, if you wanted to try one of these out, Surfshark is going to be the best if you want something on a budget. NordVPN is amazing if you want a ton of different features. And if I had to say which one is the best overall, that would be ExpressVPN. This is my go-to option. I use it on a daily basis, and it has the best speeds and also the most stable connections. Now, you'll find more about all of these VPNs and how to use them in the description, full in-depth reviews, and discount links to get you the lowest possible price. That's going to be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.